Few little things you should know if you ever plan to travel to Tahiti. Number one, the airport is based in Fa'a'a. So Fa'a'a is the city, and if you're looking for a hotel around the airport, you should be looking around Fa'a'a. If you plan to change money from your currency to Tahiti currency, you can do it at the airport. Usually the office to exchange money is open at every arrivals. If you come from a country where it's really cold, like New Zealand right now, well, this colder, but you know what I mean, prepare something to change into in the plane before getting out of the plane, because it's really hot and humid in Tahiti. The main language in Tahiti is French, so it's good to have basics in French, but you also have Tahitian language, of course, that not everyone is speaking. And some people do understand English and do try to speak English, but they have their own pronunciation. Also, it's not only Tahiti, but it's French Polynesia, and you have more than 100 little islands to visit. Right next to the international airport, you have the domestic airport to go from island to islands, or you also have the boat. I hope this little video will be helpful for the one who plan to travel to Tahiti. And if you have any other question or need advices to travel there, let me know. Let me a comment and I will be so happy to answer.